Welcome back. So let's go ahead and start working on the remaining methods above the widget bill, there we go, and above that. So now we will create, first make it private. So in here we'll say bill title, simply is going to be for the title of this specific screen, which is search product, that one. Okay, that one. So in here bill title. Now in here we'll say bill context in here, type and object that's in here curly braces, and take this down. Return the widget by the name text. In here we'll provide search product, write it. So that's going to be the title, write it, and semicolon. Add the const modifier, and now we will just get down in here and create another method. Make this private. So in here we'll say bill back button. In here braces, then curly braces, take this down. Now we're gonna return in here widget by the name icon button. So in here icon button, from now on just remove that and write it and comma, take this down. In here provide icon, we'll say icon, and in here icons dot arrow back. There you go, the suggestion. Let's choose the color for that. We'll go with the colors dot white. In here make the spelling right, it's fine, white, there we go. And right after that on press event, in here take this down. So this arrow back will just navigate the user right towards the home screen whenever the user will click upon it or press it. So in here we'll say navigator dot push replacement, gonna provide the new route, and the new route gonna be material page route. In here provide context, get this down from here so that you guys can see it easily. Now in here let's get the user toward the home screen. Now add it and semicolon and import the library for the home screen. Click upon it, add bulb, and there you go, the library, all just fine as you guys can see. Now in here const modifier, and right in here remove that comma, put semicolon, all just fine. Now let's go ahead and just use that right in the app bar. There you go with the app bar first. So right from here I'll just remove that title. Okay, there's the text and also this text style. Okay, so from here to here simply dial that, as you guys can see. Okay, now just scroll up and right in the app bar we'll have the leading. First just press the Control S and you guys will notice that the title will be gone, okay, because we remove it down below. Control S, and there we go. Now right in the app bar first we will set the leading. Okay, so in here we'll say if is searching, if that's true, then right in if we will have a back button. Okay, there we go with the suggestion back button. And right on the flip side, if that is searching will be false, then we'll have the bill back button. So in here just call upon that specific method, which is bill back button, there we go. And right after that we'll have a title in here. So we'll say in here is searching, if that's true, right in the if we'll just have that bill search field. And right on the flip side, if that will be false, then right in else we'll have the bill title, there we go, and all just fine. In here add the const modifier to this back button, all good. So now just press the Control S and you guys will notice the changes. Control S, there we go. Okay, search product, and there we go with the arrow back button. If you guys just press on it, it will navigate you right toward the home screen. Okay, as we said right in the methods. Okay, that build back button, right in the press, navigate toward the home screen. And that's it for this video. Right on the next video we will work further. So see ya.